I didn't really come to data science through code languages and technical skills. I really came to it from more of a MBA mindset, business mindset, and I came to it as I'm a really good problem solver, and I needed a tool to unlock the tech debt that I didn't have, and so KNIME hit all those boxes for me. I'm Kate Bartkiewicz. I'm a marketing data scientist, and I run a company called digData. We do consulting for primarily startup companies that really need to grow and get more efficient with their marketing pretty quickly. Scalability is a huge thing for us. When we talk about scale at my company, we try and make our workflows 80% reusable. That's a big part of how we're able to add additional value to our clients over maybe traditional marketing analytics. So we really try and spend most of our time on insights, analyzing all these custom solutions, reports, and models that we have built and automated. Coming out of graduate school, a lot of the statistical packages we learned on were very expensive. And if I'm trying to get some company to do something they've never used before, I don't want to hit them with a very expensive price tag to get started. One of the things I really like about KNIME is my ability to provide an ROI really quickly, because the investment I need from my clients is very minimal. Right? I just need access to a database. I uncover a data mess, I don't try and fix it. I fix it all in KNIME. I build, at minimum, a prototype, a minimum viable product of anything that I'm working on for a customer, and our goal is to get it in their hands and usable within a couple weeks. So we're able to do that in KNIME without saying, hey, we need to have these hires, or we need to build this new data model. We don't have to do any of that before we prove value. I really love how fast that happens. Originally, I was using more of a traditional dev cycle. I would have a use case, I would create documentation, it would go through a developer, I would test it and QA it. It was very slow. It took us months to release features. So from KNIME, I could release a feature in a couple days. So that was a huge way to show value immediately. One of the things I really appreciate about KNIME is that the interface is intuitive, even to someone that doesn't know data science. And one of the things I always do in my models or major processes is I walk stakeholders through it. Like node by node, we go through it. And I can't believe how much business context, domain expertise, and input I get from them that would otherwise be lost. By having a tool where you can have non-technical stakeholders with a vast amount of domain expertise giving you feedback, helping you work the problem in an intuitive way is really invaluable.